Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm gonna start a new series called e-waste repairs. I live in an apartment and in our bin room there's a e-waste bin. What I usually do is when I go out to put the garbage, I check the bin to see if there's anything interesting to repair. So yesterday I found this vintage clock. I think it's a flip clock where as the time goes these panels flip down and it has an alarm. So let's see if I can fix this. I'm gonna plug it in. There's no sound or anything. Let's see if the time goes. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes now, but it's not moving. I believe this side panel is for the alarm. Let's see if I can set an alarm. It goes like that. 3 So the alarm, yeah, that works. And this smaller knob on the corner is, yeah, that's for the time. So first I'm gonna get an alcohol wipe and clean this off a bit. There's some kind of sticky stuff around. Let's plug it in and see what happens. Okay, so this is supposed to be spinning from this. So that small gear is supposed to be spinning when the motor is spinning. But it's not. We have to check inside here. There's a lot of dirt in there. Can you see the black stuff? You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna clean it up first before I go any further, because there's a lot of dirt in there and a lot of dirt over here. And then I'm gonna put it back to see if that fixes it. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that did anything. Cracked.
Working.
So that's it guys. I know it was a mechanical issue and not an electrical one, but I had a lot of fun diagnosing and repairing the issue. I hope you guys enjoyed it as well. If you did, please put a like on my video and comment down below if you want to see more electronics from the e-waste. Thank you and see you in the next one.